Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fusion license plate light. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Before you begin, always make sure your Ford Fusion is completely turned off to prevent any electrical issues. This simple step ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's find the light housing. Once you've located the license plate light housing, carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the designated slot. Apply gentle pressure to pry the housing cover open. You'll find that it's designed to pop out with minimal effort, so avoid using excessive force. This reveals the bulb and its connection, preparing you for the next step in the replacement. With the housing open, you'll see the bulb socket. Gently twist this socket counterclockwise to detach it from the housing. Once it's free, carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring a snug fit. This completes the electrical part of the replacement. After installing the new bulb, twist the socket clockwise to secure it back into the housing. Then, carefully snap the entire light housing back into its original position on your Ford Fusion. It should click firmly into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and check the new license plate light to ensure it's working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.